Dave from Summit Racing here again with you, and we're with Matt from Tough Stuff Performance. We're talking about all the different Tough Stuff Performance product lines. Here we're going to talk about power steering pumps. Two different styles here, a Type 2 and a Saginaw. Give us kind of the rundown of the two different pumps you have here.
All right, first we have the Type 2 pump. A lot of custom builders prefer the smaller Type 2 pump for fitment reasons and has a smaller, cleaner look. We offer this in two different versions. We have a top pressure port mount. We also have a bottom pressure port mount. That gives you the capability to run your pressure hose in either from the top or the bottom. It also comes in many different finishes. We offer powder coat in many colors, chrome, and polished.
Okay. And I know there's some different PSI options here. Tell us a little bit about that and what you have there.
Sure. Most of our power steering pumps, they come with a 1200 PSI relief valve inside, which is most common with gearboxes. We also offer a 850 PSI relief valve, which is used in most rack and pinion steering systems.
Okay. And fitting-wise, what do you have there? What type of fittings do you use, sizes, all that?
Sure. The most common Type 2 fittings that we provide with our pumps when we manufacture them is an AN6 for your pressure side, and we also offer a AN10 for the return side. Some of our Type 2 pumps are manufactured with a press-fit tube also, if you prefer to have a hose hooked up to the return line.
Okay. And over here in the Saginaw, pulleys and is it press fit and bolt-on options there?
Yes, our Saginaw pump, we offer a 5/8 keyed shaft, which you can bolt the pulley on, such as this one right here. And we also offer a 3/4 press fit pulley or shaft option for people that want to put a press fit serpentine or V-belt pulley on.
Okay. And then skipping back over to the Type 2, there's capabilities for a remote reservoir, is that correct?
Yes, we make in both a top pressure port and bottom pressure port. We make a reservoir that presses right onto our GM pressure fit Type 2.
Okay. So bottom line here, both great options. If you're advising somebody between one or the other, what would the application for one versus the other?
A lot of people like the old style, old school Saginaw look. They want to replace the one that was originally in the vehicle, so that's probably the biggest reason why they would go with Saginaw. And for the Type 2 look, a lot of people like to have a smaller pump and then they show their pulley off.
Okay. Well, all Tough Stuff Performance products are available at summitracing.com, including all their power steering.